97% of you all fail within 10 years. And the third complaint is can't make money. If you never learn to make money, you'll never know how to make money. This is what you're told by your shitty advisors. This is what you're told by your investment bankers. They say it's a good thing to lose money in the early stages so you can grow faster. No. That might be true for the guys that go out to Wall Street and raise $200 million, but it ain't true for the small business space. If you never learn to make money, you'll never know how to make money. But once you make money and your confidence is there to make money, now you leverage your money and bring on debt so you can acquire stuff and grow a lot faster. It's used to improve you, to get bigger. It's used to improve your people. You can send them to training programs and invest in things you otherwise wouldn't buy. It's used to expand marketing campaigns and to promote yourself. It's used to increase inventories so you have more things you can sell over your competitors. It's the fastest way to scale and expand is through acquisition and buying opportunities. It creates phantom levels of income. You know, when I go out and I leverage this and I go buy another 100 million in business, and I buy that business at, say, a 50 or $75 million valuation, and then all of a sudden 5 years later, it's worth $500 million, I didn't pay any tax on that increase in value, right? I didn't pay any tax on it because I haven't sold the business yet. So I take all my active income, which is this, and I convert it into leveraging it and acquiring stuff that grows through the equity, and then I sell it, and then I pay capital gains. But I'm not taxed on $1 of the equity increase along the way. I'm using the cash to pay down the debt. Does that make sense? Creates high net worth. It allows for acquisition of businesses, and it buys second flows of income. So when you have good debt and you can access good debt, this is how you get big faster. This is how you go from scale to scaling, the rapid expansion of what you can prove worth. But it's important to first learn to make money, because if I wasn't making money, would the lender give me this? I concede that, okay, debt is great debt, but first you got to demonstrate to somebody you have the responsibility to know how to make money. Now, you know that everything we talked about so far is money problems, people problems, and do you all understand that the money problems and the people problems are all your problems? Do you understand that? If you can't solve money and people problems, you will be a statistic in business. 31.5 million to small size businesses under $100 million, 2/3 will fail in the first 5 years, and you'll end up blaming, just like everybody else, these three categories. Lack of product and service demand, can't find great people, and can't get financing. 97% of you all fail within 10 years. The third complaint is can't make money. If you never learn to make money, you'll never know how to make money.